face right down on my pillow. Hey, you can leave all your worries right at the door. Leave it all.
First, I'm going to throw the egg.
I swear to you, I won't ask you for too much. I don't want. I'll take care of the rest. I'll give you all my love. When the world gets too heavy, let me take off the pressure. What good am I if I can't love you? Through all your worries, know you got me. Live there through the hardest. Turn off the lights, let me ease your mind. I am stuck on you, cause your love is so good, I can share it all. Take care of you, I know your heart.
I'm gonna add my soy sauce. Oh my goodness, guys, this smells so good. Now the sesame seeds, I'm gonna take some out for my hubby first because he doesn't like the sesame seeds. So I'm gonna take some out for hubby before I add the seeds. But guys, it smells so good in here.